So last year we had 9 winners from the shortlisted 655 applicants. क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर $60,000 की स्कॉलरशिप थी. इस साल स्कॉलरशिप अवार्ड जो है टोटल $70,000 का हो गया है, बिकॉज ऑस्ट्रेलिया हैज आल्सो कम इनटू द पिक्चर. सो नाउ यू हैव 70,000 worth scholarship which is an offering to the student, and instead of 18 finalists from which 9 are chosen, now there would be 20 finalists. Right guys? Now where are these all winners based? So there are 2 each for US, UK and Canada, 1 each for Germany, Netherlands and obviously France. So the people who have gone to Germany are studying obviously the automobile engineering. The guy who has gone to France is studying fashion technology, and the guy who has gone to Netherlands is studying master in science in dairy technology. अगर पीछे गर्मी लग रही है तो प्लीज आप आगे आ जाइए. You will come forward. Now where all these winners are from India. So there are 2 each from say Delhi, Calcutta, Mumbai, and 1 each from Coimbatore, Calcutta and Hyderabad. Now this is the interview which I was talking about. All these winners, their interviews are published on CNN, IBN. Their interview came. It also came in the Times of India in Mumbai, because the award ceremony took place at Mumbai. Then obviously these interviews also published on the ETS website. I'll share the link with you. Have you guys been given the feedback form? Can you distribute the feedback form?
Distributed the brochures, forms.
Yeah, there is a feedback form at the bottom. Yeah. So this needs to be distributed now. मैं नहीं चाहता कि आप लोग वेट करें. प्रॉब्ली आपका जो भी नेक्स्ट सेशन है उसके लिए आप देख रहे हो. जस्ट बिलो दैट स्टार्टिंग. So now after the success of 2010 and 11 scholarship program, ETS is very proud to announce, as I told you, that now the scholarship award has gone up to $70,000. So it is being offered to the Indian students. And again, all these 5 countries are participants in that particular scholarship program. Now the purpose is very simple. कि जो talented individual हैं, लेकिन जिनको financial assistance चाहिए, उन students को ध्यान में रखते हुए ये scholarship program जो है वो लॉन्च किया गया है. So that they realize their study abroad aspirations. And this is the link which I am talking about. It's ets.org/TOEFL/scholarship. So please make a note of it. It's ets.org/TOEFL/scholarship. So if you go on this particular link, you will find the interviews of all the India winners uploaded over there on the right hand side. Now there have been some major changes which have taken place in the scholarship program. So there are 3 major changes. First and foremost thing is, now there is no need for the students to fill the intent form. Earlier the students used to fill the intent form. आप बाहर क्यों पढ़ने के लिए जाना चाहते हो? आप प्राइमरी TOEFL scholarship program का पार्ट क्यों होना चाहते हो? So this intent form has been done away with. It's a simple application form now. So there is no need to fill any kind of an intent form by the students. Secondly, there is no need for students to fill or send the letters of recommendations or the certificate. So what we were observing is that large number of students last year, there were around 1.5 lakh applications which we received from Pan India. और हर स्टूडेंट कोई ना कोई रिकमेंडेशन लेटर अपने प्रिंसिपल का या HOD का या सर्टिफिकेट जो उसने अपने एकेडमिक करियर के अंदर जो उसने अचीव किए हैं, स्टार्टिंग राइट फ्रॉम से 8th 9th स्टैंडर्ड ऑनवर्ड, वो एनक्लोज करके भेजते थे हमें एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म. सो देयर इज नो नीड टू सेंड एनी काइंड ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन लेटर्स और सर्टिफिकेट while applying for the scholarship program. Thirdly, you can send your applications directly to our in-country address. When I say our in-country address, it is at our HO in Gurgaon. So my company is Educom, as you have been told by Director Sir. तो आप गुड़गांव के एड्रेस पे ये अपना एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म डायरेक्टली भेज सकते हैं. इट सेव्स अ लॉट ऑफ इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर शिपिंग कॉस्ट एज वेल एज टाइम. So you got your proof of delivery, you got your shipment number with you, so you can keep a track that whether your application has reached in time to my HO or not. Now what is the eligibility criteria to be a part of the scholarship program? The first and foremost thing is, you should be currently living in India. Secondly, you should begin your undergrad or a postgrad program by 2013. तो इंटरनेशनली दो इंटेक होते हैं, स्प्रिंग और फॉल. तो व्हेन आई से स्प्रिंग एंड फॉल, इट मीन्स आइदर जनवरी में या सितंबर में. तो आप जब भी कोई फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन लेने के लिए जाना चाहते हैं, ये दो तरह के इंटेक होते हैं. तो या तो आप जनवरी में एडमिशन ले सकते हैं या आप सितंबर में एडमिशन ले सकते हैं. मेजर चंक ऑफ एडमिशन हैपन इन द मंथ ऑफ सितंबर. तो सितंबर को आप वॉच कीजिए. एंड इफ यू वांट टू गो अब्रॉड, अपने वीज़ा सब आप जुलाई तक फिनिश कर दीजिए अप्लाई करके एंड रिसीव करके, so that by August end you fly off, because the colleges and the universities start there from mid of September. And yes, you should have a valid TOEFL score. So when I say a valid TOEFL score, it means that it's not necessary that there's nothing like a pass or fail in TOEFL examination. ना तो कोई पास होता है ना फेल होता है TOEFL examination में. हाँ, आपका स्कोर जो है आउट ऑफ 120 मार्क्स का एग्जाम होता है. From there it can be say 30, 40, 50, 80. But yes, for the scholarship program, the valid score counted is 80. So cutoff is 80. Anything above 80 would be considered to be a good score. Now what is the application process like? आप apply कैसे कर सकते हैं? So first and foremost thing is, first you will have to take the TOEFL test and receive your score. तो पहले आप अपना TOEFL test दीजिए, अपना स्कोर अपने पास में लेके रखिए. Then apply on this website. Download कीजिए application form which is available on this website, which is ets.org/TOEFL/scholarship. Thirdly, official transcript collect कीजिए अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी से. And fourthly, you will be asked to write an essay. जो मैंने आपको कहा कि कोर्सेज रेलेवेंट टॉपिक के ऊपर आपको 600 वर्ड के अंदर ऐसे लिखना पड़ेगा. तो वो आपको ऐसे लिखना है, और आप जितने इनोवेटिवली अपने थॉट प्रोसेस को अप्लाई करके लिख सकते हैं वो लिखने की कोशिश कीजिए. Now winners will be chosen based on the composition of all these factors. तो आपका एकेडमिक रिकॉर्ड, पास एकेडमिक रिकॉर्ड पिक्चर में आएगा. आपका TOEFL का स्कोर क्या है वो पिक्चर में आएगा. ऑब्वियसली द लेटेस्ट TOEFL स्कोर आपने अगर 3 या 4 बार देखा, लेकिन जो लास्ट स्कोर होगा दैट वुड बी काउंटेड. Thirdly, how well you have fared in your essay on a socially relevant topic, that will come into the picture. ये सब होने के बाद में अल्टीमेटली 20 फाइनलिस्ट वुड बी आस्क्ड टू अपीयर फॉर अ स्काइप राउंड ऑफ इंटरव्यू विद 2 ETS later. So there will be one professor from Indian University and there would be one professor from foreign university who would be taking your interview, the 20 finalists. So before the Skype round of interview, you would be asked to provide letter of acceptance from the university which you are going to attend. Suppose you are going to take admission in suppose Stanford University. तो आप स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी से वो लेटर ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस जो आपके पास में आया है उसकी एक PDF फाइल क्रिएट कीजिए. वो आप ETS को मेल कीजिए. If you are among the 20 finalists and you are called for a telephonic round of interview, ETS in turn will verify that letter with that university. और अगर यूनिवर्सिटी कहती है हाँ हमने इस स्टूडेंट को एडमिशन दिया है हमारे Jan 2013 इंटेक के लिए या September 2013 इंटेक के लिए, तो then you become a part of the scholarship program and you go for a Skype round of interview with these 2 ETS letters. Now as I told you, the winners are always announced through an award ceremony, so where you can take your friends and your family members along with you. For last 2 years we are having it in Mumbai. This year it is planned to be there in Delhi only. So it's closer to your city. Now winners are officially announced at NAFTA conference. So winners from all the countries who are part of the scholarship program, they are announced at NAFTA conference. NAFTA stands for National Association of Foreign Student Advisors. Now it is known as International Association of Advisors. वहाँ पे सारे winners हर country के announce होते हैं. And as I told you that winners also feature on the TOEFL website. So TOEFL की website के ऊपर जो मैंने ets.org/TOEFL/scholarship बताया है, उस साइड के ऊपर आपको इनके इंटरव्यू दिखेंगे. Now, in case you have got any kind of questions related with the scholarship program, you can either mail to us. This is the mail ID. You can write to us at TOEFL@studyplaces.com, or you can write to us at TOEFLscholarship@ets.org. So these are the two email IDs we have. So on either of these two email IDs, you can put your queries, and within 24 hours of receiving your mail, we'll revert back to you with your answers which you are looking at. Otherwise, you can also call us on this Gurgaon number of mine. This is dedicated only to the students who are looking at TOEFL test or TOEFL scholarship program. So you can either call us on this number, which is 9711 237 111. I'll repeat it for you. It's 9711 237 111. ये नंबर ऑपरेशनल है मंडे से लेके फ्राइडे तक. So this number remains operational from Monday to Friday, from 9 AM in the morning till 5:30 in the evening. तो सुबह आप 9 बजे से लेके शाम को 5:30 बजे तक कभी भी कॉल कर सकते हैं. अगर फ्राइडे और संडे को अगर स्विच ऑफ आता है तो प्लीज डोंट ब्लेम मी. फ्राइडे संडे आर ऑन विद माय जॉब. Now the second section, why and what is the advantage of the TOEFL test. So primarily there are 6 advantages. First and the foremost thing is TOEFL is accepted by 8,500 plus universities and colleges in more than 130 countries. So when you go on the TOEFL website, you have the yellow brochure with you. तो उस yellow brochure के अंदर ही नीचे website mentioned है TOEFLGoAnywhere.org. तो जब आप उस वेबसाइट के ऊपर जाएंगे तो वहाँ एक लिंक दिया हुआ है TOEFL डेस्टिनेशन डायरेक्टरी. अगर आप उस लिंक को क्लिक करेंगे तो आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं PDF फाइल. उसमें लिस्ट ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी एंड कॉलेजेस मेंशन्ड है कंट्री वाइज जो कि TOEFL का स्कोर एक्सेप्ट करती हैं. तो ऑल दीज 8,500 प्लस यूनिवर्सिटी एंड कॉलेजेस in 130 countries who are participating in the TOEFL program, they are all listed over there. Secondly, it is most respected. So all the admission officers who were surveyed, they said that they prefer TOEFL over any other test because when you speak English and when I speak English, I mean the margin of error or the difference would be minimal. You also speak often, I also speak often. Now how to differentiate? So जो हमारे स्कूल में या यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल पे अगर इंग्लिश कंपलसरी है आपके यहाँ पे तो किसी के 75 आते होंगे, किसी का 76 आते होंगे. तो वो एक मार्क का जो डिफरेंस है वो कहाँ है वो आज तक कोई नहीं समझ पाया. तो व्हेन यू आर अपियरिंग फॉर TOEFL, द मार्जिन ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन बिटवीन द वेरियस पार्टिसिपेंट्स इज 0.001%. So the admission officer said that we would prefer taking the TOEFL test because